Alright guys, we're looking at another new phone today, and this is a pretty rare one. This is a Stromberg-Carlson model 1500D1, and I'm not actually sure if this color is called avocado or moss green. I think it went by both, depending on the manufacturer. And now before you say, oh, that's a 2500 because it has the star on the pound, actually, no, it is not. It is an SC 1500D1 tone dial desk set from, oh, sorry about that, May of 1969. And this one, I have to say, is in very good condition. There is no rust on the base or whatever at all. And the casing is actually not scuffed up at all. It's in very good condition. Has the original number card. And also has the original hardwired handset and line cord. I have actually never seen a line cord that is color matched. They're usually gray or clear. And it's wired right into this box on the baseboard. Now, this phone actually needed a bit of work when I first got it because the way it was wired for a ground ringer party line. So there had been a bunch of wires on the network block moved around that prevented the ringer from activating when it had a call coming through. So I reverted the wiring back to the way it was, and it does work very well now. The ringer is quite loud, actually. It has a slightly different pitch than the Western Electric ringers. I know there was always some variation between the ringers, even on phones made by the same company. So pick this up. So I don't know if you can hear that. Dial tone. Yeah. Something else that's interesting. This handset was actually made by ITT. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see that too well. There you go. So I have seen this before. I'm not sure how common that is to have that. Also, this has the first gen touch-tone keypad because it's actually got the full operator text on the 0 key. Most of them just say OPER, Opper. But the original ones actually had it fully written out. So, I don't hear this, but here are the touch tones, GTMF tones, and now back to dial tone. And at some point I'll make another. At some point I'll make another video of this where I show you the actual wiring. I have a picture of what it looked like before and after I rewired it. Another thing that's interesting is that I will just open this up so you can peek inside. Only has yellow, green, and red wires. No black, and that is also because of the way it was wired for the party line, because it only needed the red and the green for tip and ring. The yellow was the earth wire to stop every single phone on the line from ringing when it was called. And it does actually have a straight line ringer, which is why it had to be redone, because they did also make frequency ringers, so that depending on which phone was being called, it had a ringer that would activate at a slightly different frequency, so that not all the phones would ring at once. But they also did this, where they just rewired phones with a straight line ringer. Yeah, so this around so you can see the back. The Stromberg-Carlson, made in the USA. And yeah, so we got the hardwired line connection. So yeah, has also, I don't know how you can see that, this also has the first gen faceplate with, just like my Western Electric 2500, which is also from May of 1969, coincidentally. It has the ribbed plastic underneath, like, I guess, plexiglass. Yeah, there's that. Oops. And this is, as I said before, it is in remarkably good condition. Somebody please explain what these markings mean, though. I don't know what that is. So yeah, 1500 D1 tone dial. And I will have a video of this ringing at some point.